Welcome to Section 2 of our Instagram Ads video training. In this section, we'll talk about what you should do right before creating Instagram ads, setting up Facebook and Instagram for advertising, image tips for Instagram ads, and video tips for Instagram ads. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. What you should do right before creating Instagram ads. Now, Instagram ads are finally within your reach. Businesses of all sizes can officially have the ability to create advertisements that can reach different places around the globe. This will be your chance to be one of those advertisers and business owners who are enjoying running campaigns in the most popular photo sharing sites and hashtag-loving communities. It would be great for you to choose Instagram ads as your advertising partner to grow your business, and you can boost your expected results for your ads. Moreover, this will be a great opportunity to align your brand with the big brands on Instagram. Knowing that your products or services will be one of the hot topics in the online world through Instagram ad solutions will give you the chance to lead the ever-competitive business arena. Through Instagram ads, you are now getting closer to your target audience. Aside from the fact that you are ensured that your campaigns will reach the appropriate audience, you'll also have the power to build online and local awareness for your brand, which will serve as an amazing chance to realize your business goals. If your business is ready to discover what great business opportunities Instagram ads can offer to you, there are some important things you need to know. Before creating any Instagram ads, you need to have a website, images, videos, a Facebook ads account, an Instagram account, a mobile app, Facebook pages, and Facebook product catalogs. Website. Before engaging in Instagram ads, you need to create your own business website, which will contain all the necessary details about your venture. First, you have to choose which website building platform you are going to use. You may use www.bluehost.com after you create your domain name. After following the steps to create a domain for your site, you may now set up, create the design, and do some tweaks to your website. Images. Of course, innovative and creative images are some of the important factors you'll need for a successful advertisement. You have to choose effective photo design tools which will allow you to create customized images for Instagram ads. For an easy platform, you can go to www.canva.com for your photo editing process. Videos. It is well known that Instagram is a perfect place to share visual storytelling for different brands. For you to easily design, shoot, and edit videos, you need to have a video app. Pick, Play, Post will be ideal for you if you plan to combine multiple videos in a collage and create static content for your videos with motion. You may go to www.mixcord.co/partners/pickplaypost.html to create videos for your Instagram ads. Facebook ad account. A Facebook ad will be an effective platform to boost your advertisement, but you'll need to set up your Facebook ads account first. You need to have an ad manager page to manage all the activities on your Facebook ads. You'll find it at www.facebook.com/ads. Instagram account. To create an Instagram account, you may use your smartphone or tablet through the Instagram mobile app. Also, you can use other tools to run an Android version Instagram on your Mac or PC. Go to www.instagram.com to register with the use of your email address or Facebook account. Mobile apps. Another essential factor you need to consider before starting Instagram ads is to create your mobile app. www.infinitemonkeys.mobi offers you easy steps to create your very own mobile app, which will greatly help you create a better means of offering your products or services to customers. A mobile app will serve as the easiest way of updating customers about your offerings and allowing them to keep in touch with your advertisements and website. Facebook pages. By creating a Facebook page, you will increase your exposure to possible customers, boost SEO, lessen your marketing expenses, create more leads, and reach your target audience. All you have to do is visit www.facebook.com/pages/create. Then you may start creating more possibilities for your advertisement on Instagram. If you have a large audience or followers on your Facebook page, there is no doubt you can have better access to a wider range of profitability. Facebook Product Catalog. If you have a Facebook product catalog, you'll have a well-organized list of products that you want to be advertised. When people see that you have a catalog for your product or service offerings, it will be easier for them to choose the product or service they want. You just simply create it through www.facebook.com/products with a couple of easy steps. A product catalog is quite important. After you advertised your brand on Instagram, you'll have something for your audience to use to conduct a wider search of your offerings. Moreover, your Facebook product catalog will also serve as a clearer view of your products or service descriptions, so you'll need to make it attractive and organized as not to mislead your audience. Before deciding the concept of your Instagram ads, it is ideal for you to first learn the important things to have a smooth and organized advertisement strategy. You need to first be aware of the things you need to prepare before taking an action to ensure that you get the desired results. Truly, Instagram ads will introduce you into a higher level of marketing for your business and lead you to an advertisement solution with achievable results.